Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be battling Pgpro gamers, so let's just get into the video. Okay, so here we are in the battle, and I think this is going to be a good battle. He starts with Adrian the Wizard. I go with Chill and Char. That's 18 and 19. Cast spell. And let's see what he can do. Okay, so it's just a way for a second, but he did 3,000. I did 3,808 damage. He does 3,828, I think that was. So yeah, we're already in a little deficit, but that's just because we start with. So yeah, I think this is going to end up in a draw. We'll have to see what happens, but hopefully he goes with Titus next when I go with my pet. Okay, so that was very good that he missed right there. Going to set up some stuff for us. We are not going to go with a multi-move just yet. We are going to save that and go with Volcanon again. A very good start so far. He uses Supernova, which is not a great move because Supernova is very bad. It's better to go with a pet move. And yeah, we're just pretty much doing a lot of damage right now. We'll take out his wizard next hit because we're on first grade math and I don't expect to ever get a question wrong. Ice isn't going to do a lot of damage, but it will get the job done. So yeah, we don't do a lot of damage as I expected. And what I'm gonna do is put in my wizard, because he's gonna think that I'm gonna put in Mag Mischief or Mag Mayhem, and then so there we go. That was very clutch of us. We are going to have to use our multi-attack right here, because if not, then we're going to be screwed. Okay, so we do 5,201 damage, so we're doing pretty good. He misses another question, pretty much locking up that we are going to win this battle. So right here, I'm going to use, and we can't use Charclone, that's sad, but we still should be able to take Titus out right here with this, where we get the setup with Mag Mayhem, who almost got knocked out. But now Titus is out, leaving it down to just Fox, pretty much meaning that we are going to win this battle. Yep, one more hit and we win the battle. We are on max, pretty much meaning that it's going to be a lot of damage. 5,000 something, pretty much guaranteed. His max is on 1. And yeah, here we go. So 38, 39, and 40. We just pretty much won the game, and we get a mastery or whatever it's called. Okay, so we do 5,212 damage. There's absolutely no way he can win this battle. 4,146, and we walk away with the dub.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Very good battle. He's beaten me in battles that we have not filmed. Like I battled him in a live stream and lost. So yeah, he's still pretty good, or he is still good, but I just came out on top in that battle. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go subscribe to Pgpro Gamer. I will have his link in the description, and he is dabbing. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Pgpro Gamer, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.